honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm getting ready to make some catfish. And let me ask Walter, do he want it breaded or unbreaded? Well, I'm going to bread mine. I'm going to use the Kentucky Kernel lemon pepper. Even though I have some fish breading in there, lemon and pepper always goes well on fish. So that's what I'm using. I'll be back. Okay, I just asked him, did he want his seasoned well or breaded? He said, I want it seasoned well and breaded. Okay. I've already rinsed off my fish fillets. Nice and pink looking. And I'm drying them with a paper towel. I'm draining this water out. So I have to dry them again. Get another paper towel. I make sure they're dry before I put anything on them. Just dab them with a paper towel and sop up the water that's in the bottom of the bowl. This is also how you make your chicken wings. If you want to air fry them and want nice crispy chicken wings. So that should do it. You can always smell it. Make sure it's fresh. So I've taken fish and chicken back to Walmart many a time. Don't smell right, they're getting it back. Okay, let me angle this down so y'all can see. Regular yellow mustard. I'm squirting on the fish. Okay, that's good. And your fish will not taste like mustard. Okay, I'll season it, even though I'm putting the breading on it. Black pepper. And what else am I put on here? What is this? Lemon garlic seasoning. Okay, I'll put some of this on it. Twisted cubes. Crazy Chick lemon garlic. Smells good. Now I'm gonna smush that. So let me see. I think this got salt in it. Yes, there's salt in it. Put on the glove so I can smush it. I'll be using my Cosori air fryer for the fish, and I'll be using my iMark 2.5 liter air fryer for the fries. Put this glove on. I think I'm gonna cut the fish. I should have done that before I season it. Okay, that's how it looks, and I'm gonna smush this. And I have breading in my breader shaker bowl, so I'm just going to use a regular bowl for a plate. Okay, this smells so good. That's how it looks. Okay. I think I'm going to cut these in half, these fish fillets. So let me bring y'all over here so you can see me. Okay, I'm going to preheat my Cosori Smart Air Fryer, but I'm just using it as a regular air fryer. I'm not using the Wi-Fi function. So I'm going to preheat it. While that's preheating, I'm gonna bring y'all over here so I can cut this this fish and bread it. Here's the lemon pepper breading. Just snip the end off the pack. Put some breading in the plate. I'm just gonna cut these fillets in half. And lay them on top of the breading in the plate. Keep one hand dry and one hand wet. The bread bowl is so much easier to use, or just a bag. But as long as it gets done, food's still gonna taste the same. Okay, put this in the air fryer. Yep, preheat time is up. It preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. So we'll put these in the fry basket and spray them with olive oil. Okay, that's good. Oh, I'm gonna use that box. Okay, let me clean my hands. I can't stand on nasty hands. That's the way it looks. Push this, I have this air fryer sitting on a rolling countertop tray. I'm gonna push it back. So I'll take the basket out. I'll leave a link for the tray in my description box. So put the fish fillets in the basket. Try to put them in here, lay them like a puzzle. Without overlapping. Get one more piece. Move that over. Okay. That's the way this looks. Spray. I'm using my Evo oil sprayer, and I have olive oil in here. Okay. Put it in the air fryer. Pull this out from the wall so the hot air is not blowing on the wall and prohibiting the airflow. So let me see what the fish setting is. Okay, I think I want it to cook for about 10 minutes. Y'all can see what I'm doing. 350 at 10 minutes. Okay, that's good. So I'll be back. Okay, my fish is done. I turned the temp up to 400 degrees, and I put a couple more minutes on here. So it has 1 minute left, but it's done now. I'll stop it. Oops. Yep. We'll bring this to the stove. Okay, this is my catfish dinner. I have the Kentucky Kernel lemon pepper on my catfish, and I air fried it. Got some tossed salad and some French fries. So that's my dinner, and I call this healthy. And this is sitting on a piece of wheat bread. Guess y'all want to see me taste it. Just a minute. Okay, I'm gonna taste a piece of the catfish. That's how the side look. That's how this side looks. It's done. Cooked for about 12 minutes. I taste the lemon. I do taste the pepper. Nice and flaky. Kentucky Kernel, lemon pepper, coating, breading. It's good on fish. It's good, y'all. Okay, I'm about to get my eat on. Bon appetit. This is what I got on my salad. I love the Catalina salad dressing. I like anything orange or red. I like the Russian salad dressing and also the French. I'm putting the Frank's red hot, extra hot sauce on my fish. I'm gone for real now because I'm sweating chocolate up in this kitchen. Bye.